Hi, everyone. Beth Ridley here, leadership and workplace culture expert. I'm excited to facilitate an in person workshop with you called Practices to Achieve Sustainable DEI and Belonging Results. As the caring and committed leaders you are, I know you're passionate about creating an inclusive and thriving workplace culture for your teams. This workshop will not only help you strengthen your leadership skills to do so, but also prepare you to leave a legacy of inclusion and belonging. We'll focus on ensuring your efforts to lead DEI by example today leave a lasting and sustainable impact. Here's what you can look forward to. First, I'll share the latest research on the benefits of DEI and belonging at work. We'll also reinforce your role as leaders in driving inclusion and belonging. And together, we'll demystify what it takes to strengthen inclusion and belonging by focusing on three foundational inclusive leadership skills and how to practice them as part of your daily leadership. And finally, you'll leave with a call to action to identify a DEI inspired tradition or ongoing initiative you can establish with your teams to ensure inclusion and belonging continue to thrive no matter what. This workshop will be highly interactive with plenty of opportunities to connect with peer leaders, share insights, and reflect on inclusive leadership and belonging at work. So come ready to learn, share, connect, and have fun.